Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today we have quite the spa move to do. Jacob and I, Jacob, say hi.
Hello.
Are going to be taking the spa down from right at that point right there. It's very rare that we've had to do these. We do more installs than removals, but Bill has decided no more spa. So we're going to help Bill out. We're going to get this spa. We've got a crane showing up here in about 15 minutes and we'll get this thing on the ground and Bill can go on with his day. Still filming?
Yep.
Okay, when we do a hot tub like this with a crane, we always run one strap underneath it going this way, we run the other strap going this way. We use a bridle, so basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to hold the hot tub like this in the center. There's no way it can fall out. If you run it around and choke it, what'll happen is it'll crush the sides of some spas in. We don't want that to happen. Stuck. Come on. Okay. Right now what's happening is the crane operator is putting down what's called outrigger pads. That way it doesn't sink into the ground. They're a 2 foot by 2 foot pad that'll take the weight and it'll distribute it evenly all the way around the crane. So whenever you order a crane, you want to make sure you have enough room for the crane. Sometimes if you pull into back alleys, the alley will only be maybe 15 feet wide, which is wider than the crane, but when the crane puts down the outriggers can sometimes go to 18, sometimes 20 feet wide. So make sure you have enough room. And then what we always do is we put our trailer as close to the back end of the crane as we can. That way it makes the crane operator at ease to what we're doing. You always want to have line of sight, which means the crane operator that's operating the crane can see the hot tub that is being moved, or can at least see you to give hand signals. So anyways, that's just a little bit of how we do it. Okay. My center's about right here. It's yours. It's off the ground. See, I'm the strongest guy around. One hand. It just doesn't get any easier. I gotta spin it around.
And voila!
Well, everybody, that's a wrap. This hot tub is up on the trailer and the crane is pulling away. That wasn't too bad. Probably took us about 10 or 15 minutes to get the hot tub done. But anyways, we figured we would show from time to time how we do hot tubs that are up on houses or in backyards that need to be done with a crane. Some companies have done it differently. We just have our way of doing it. We've been doing it since 1992. We've done hundreds of these over the years. This is just the way we have found that never damages the hot tub, doesn't damage the house, keeps the employees and the personnel and the homeowner and the house, everybody safe. So just the way we do it. So anyways, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. And remember, it's just a hot tub in your backyard. In this case, up on the roof, full of water that blows bubbles. Don't go crazy. And with that, I'll see you on the next hot tub move. See you later, everybody.